Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have a company making wildlife videos, and they purchase camera equipment for $32,400. The equipment depreciates in value, it decreases in value, at a constant rate for 12 years, after which it is considered to have no monetary value. So at year zero, right when they buy it, it costs $32,400, and 12 years later, in year 12, it costs $0. And we're asked 4 years after it's purchased, which would be year 4 for this year counting thing that we're doing, we're asked what is the worth at this time. So if it's decreasing at a constant rate for 12 years, and at the end of the 12 years there's nothing left, it's losing 1/12 of its value every year, right? So it's starting out at 100% of its value, right? So 12 over 12 of 32,400, right? 12 over 12 is just 1. And then it becomes 11 over 12 of 32,400. And then 10 over 12 of 32,400. And this is year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, and so on, until eventually 0 out of 12 times 32,400 is 0 times 32,400, which is how you get 0. So how much is the camera equipment worth after 4 years? Well, it goes from, in year 0, it's 12/12 of its value. In year 1, it's 11/12. So I'll write down the years. So this is year 1, this is year 0. This is year 1, so 1 year after being purchased. Year 2, 2 years after being purchased. And then let's not skip all the way to 0. Let's go from 10/12 to 9/12 in year 3. Make sure you can see that. And then in year 4, 12/10, 12/12, 11/12, 10/12, 9/12, 8/12 of 32,400. And then you could see how it goes 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So in year 4, it was 8/12 of its old value. 8/12, just to simplify this a little bit, divide both sides by 4, means that this fraction is equal to 2/3. So we're looking for 2/3 of 32,400. Okay, so you take 32,400 and divide by 3. You get 10,800. So you have 2 times 10,800. Again, you could just plug this into your calculator, but this is on the no calculator section, so you gotta do it the long way. 2 times 10,800 is $21,600. This is the value of the camera equipment after 4 years, which means C is gonna be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.